may I just say that we invited Senator De Lima in her capacity as former Secretary of Justice to give us and clarify kung bakit nangyari po ito during her watch. No? Unfortunately, she chose not to participate, not even send a representative to our hearings, and respect this committee out of parliamentary or interparliamentary courtesy. Ano po ang repercussion niyan? She may have lost the opportunity to explain her side and even invoke her constitutional right to privacy. We are being questioned for allowing yung number at saka yung address niya. But mind you, even if Laila De Lima, Senator De Lima is my sorority sister and even my kumare, I cannot answer for her. This is her call, and kung umaten sana siya, she could have invoked that privacy rights